In this video, I'll be giving away 10 characters entirely for free. These characters are sure to liven up any production and are absolutely free. Since you were too lazy to find character images online, I did all of that, cut off their heads, and here we are. One Photoshop file with 10 different characters. I totally didn't make this video and took inspiration from Finzar's character video. I mean, the title was completely different. Anyways, let's get started with the video. After unzipping the file you downloaded from the link below, this is what you'll find in the back. One folder with all of the characters exported as PNG images. You can add these images to any photo editing software of your liking, and you can add in your own face, logo, or whatever you want there. Here's how to do it in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a new file. Change the width and height to whatever you like. After you've done that, you can open up the Photoshop file you downloaded earlier. Here it is. Then, you can add in any of the characters by pressing Alt and dragging it to the other file. Here you go. Then, you can scale it up. And there you go. Next up, import in your logo, or whatever you want to put there as your image or face. As for me, I'll be using a logo made by my friend at DuckTemps. You can check out his commissions with the link below. He made me a logo for this channel, but I'm unsure if I should use it or not. So please let me know what changes you'd like to see in the logo. So here's the logo, let's import it. Now we can resize it and then crop it out using the circle selection tool. Don't forget to press Ctrl-Shift-I to invert that selection. You can then press the delete key to delete the rest of the image. Resize the now circle image to make it fit the reference. And yeah, by the way, you can press Ctrl-T to bring up the transform tool thingy. You can turn down the opacity to make it easier. If your logo is already cut in a circle, you can skip this step. Don't forget to rotate your image if the character is tilted. It makes it look much better. All of this can also be done directly on the template you downloaded from the link below. You could then save each character as a separate image. This part is the reason why I haven't uploaded for like 7 months. You can check out this YouTube short from 1 week ago to find out why. And watch till the end, please. Anyways, animation can be a tedious and time-consuming thing, and can get a bit messy sometimes. But let me show you guys an easy and extremely simple way. Just buy my presets pack and put on the bouncy character slide in preset. Easy. Or you can keyframe it yourself like this. Add the transform effect onto your character. Use the arrow key to go to about 14 frames and toggle the position keyframe, and then go to the beginning and change the value until you get out of here. Now you'll see this animation. Looks very unsmooth, right? It's very easy to make this look smoother. Just remember, the smoother the curve is, the smoother the animation. We can make this curve smoother like this. Click on the small arrow next to position and then drag the handles down and towards the middle to get this smooth animation. The animation still doesn't look super good, so let's spice it up with some wiggle. Go a few frames before the second keyframe and then toggle animation on the anchor point, not the position one this time. Now go a few frames forward and open up your calculator. Put in the current Y value and add 40 to it. For me, I get 1000. If you get the same value, then you can just skip using a calculator and copy me instead. Copycat. If it's different, then look in the description below for this. It'll tell you how much the keyframe should be spaced and how much you should add or subtract to make it look good. Anyways, I'll be following this. So now go forward a bit and minus 50 from the original. Now go even more and add 20 this time. Now go a lot ahead and copy and paste the same value as it was in the beginning. Just Alt and drag the first keyframe to the ending to make this easier. Right now it looks great, but we can make it look even better by adjusting the curves. Now adjust the curves and make them smoother. Basically the same process as before, just try to match my curves this time though. If you want the animation to be faster or slower, then you can move around the keyframes a bit, but try to keep the spacing the same. The text says that you are done, but nope, you can make this even better using my presets pack. Just add on the shake effect onto your character or an adjustment layer, and just show off your animation skills. You can also find other stuff in the pack that'll help you a ton, like the slide out preset for characters, subtitle animations, video effects, and much more. Why are you still here? Go buy it. And check out my last video from 7 months ago. It's about the presets pack. Thank you. Go watch it.